For the listeners that don't really understand what a search fund is, explain to them kind of just real quick
It's a
how they
single
should think of
entity
it.
private equity instrument. So private equity firms like Blackstone are buying companies all the time. Imagine a entrepreneur who wants to go buy a single company and run it, as opposed to just buying it and being an advisor. So they're typically people fresh out of business school or sort of younger in their career that raise 2 years of salary to go search for a company and then use those same equity investors to fill the equity part of their transaction to then go buy a company, hopefully grow the company over 5 to 10 years, sell it, and get a return that way.
Yeah, and so typically people can think of a search fund, just adding to that, it's almost like a mini private equity fund that's an independent to one person. So the GP, the general partner kind of running it, is just this young kid that's sharp and smart and wants to go take a new business, buy it, and ideally triple it in size or quadruple it in size.